G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We are here today at a lovely home. Unit number 14 at 415 to 417 Boat Harbour Drive in the popular bayside suburb of Torquay. It's actually called Fraser Pacific Estate and there's a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. Those looking for a low maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels will appreciate the convenience of simply locking up and leaving whenever you like. This lovely low set standalone brick unit is available furnished if suitable and is perfectly positioned in the lifestyle community of Fraser Pacific Estate in the beachside suburb of Torquay, with resort amenities including a beautiful pool, tennis court, and comes with a reasonable body corporate rate as well. You have public transport at your doorstep and you're only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD and essential amenities including shopping centres, hospitals, the golf course, Hervey Bay Boat Club and Marina, beach and iconic Urangan Pier, all only a short drive away. Entering the home via the expansive front veranda, which provides covered access from the carport into the home, you are greeted by an open plan living and dining area, which does form the heart of this home and includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen includes plenty of bench and storage space as well as a pantry. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood and a wall oven. You will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate from that large covered outdoor entertaining area, which is an extension from the end of the front veranda. It is the perfect space to enjoy your morning cuppa and relaxing with a cool beverage of an afternoon or evening. This home does include 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan and 2 wardrobes, one being a built-in wardrobe, and you've also got a walk-through wardrobe into the ensuite, which features floor-to-ceiling tiles, a vanity, shower and toilet. The bathroom again features floor-to-ceiling tiles, a bath, shower and vanity, and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry includes a utility cupboard and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. This villa also includes its own private courtyard with a garden shed to house all your gardening equipment, and it's surrounded by those lovely established tropical gardens. Homes at this price point and in this particular estate are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.